TQ Power is a professional power adapters manufacturer in China from 2011 and provide tens and millions power adapters, chargers to North and South American, West Europe. More than 12 years development. We have obtained hundreds customers trusted and continued supported. In order to repay customers, TQ Power always provide reliable products with competitive price and own professional teams from engineers, workers to sales. Customers can save times and energy to can get satisfied products with good services. Currently, our products are range from wall power adapters, desktop power supplies to chargers. With all TQ Power staff's efforts and customers' continued trusted, TQ Power are growing well and owned UL, CUL, FCC, CE, ROHS, CB, RCM, BIS certificates. Right now, TQ Power have engineers continue to improve the quality and production artworks after continued efforts contain series testing for components and strong control of production from PCB plug-in step to package. The defected rate have been controlled less than 0.1% after shipment. All testing reports will be auto-stocked by ATE and burning testing machines. TQ Power can provide those reports and fast shipment for each order. Currently, TQ Power keep continued growth and got more and more customers trusted, especially in the USA, Europe, Russia, Brazil. If you choose us, it's our pleasure to help you save time and money. TQ Power will provide you professional services from beginning to shipment.
Welcome to TQ Power Company. Our main products contain power adapters, USB chargers.
We have got the UL, CUL, FCC, CE ROHS certification, and we support OEM and ODM service. And we will provide reliable product with a good price for you. Welcome to visit our factory.